Girl, why I get close to you? Why the fuck I'm calling you? Like one day you ain't falling through. Now I don't follow you. Girl, you think I'm stupid. Cause you gon' go.
Just know, just know, just know.
Bruh, we got another excursion today, but it's gonna be all day. I'm so tired. I have less than an hour and a half to get ready. But we're going to the waterfall today, so I'm excited. I almost thought I had pink eye yesterday. I just had allergies. So y'all wanna see the video? Get closely. Anyways, this has been my morning. I didn't sleep all that great either. It's just like good sleep here. It's just non-existent. And I still don't have my blanket. I don't like sleeping with these blankets and sheets because they just feel weird. And they're kind of thin.
good. You're good. Woo! Yes. Shoulders out. Yes. Period. Hold on, you got water on your camera. Give me a second. Oh wait, I'm wet too. Fuck. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, we got that in the video. I'm taking pictures. Keep moving, and it's a video. Period. Yeah. 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 Now look back. Look back at it. Look back at it. Yeah. Yeah. Period. Uh-huh. Yeah, just like oh, it's cold out. Taking a haircut? Y'all, so I can't see myself. At least there's water. Like, how long could we be here? It just so good. Are y'all getting? Y'all gotta keep moving. We're in Mexico. Where you at? Where you at? Because I only live one time. Lord have mercy. I'm getting so much. Can you even see? Can you see? I made it home. I said that I wasn't gonna get soaking wet. That's why I didn't bring bathing suit on. But I got soaking wet. So. I did it! I'm at the waterfall. And I got soaking wet and cold because I was all over there and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna stop doing that before I fall. I don't know how to cover up all these people from being in my picture. Lord have mercy. Y'all get away. Away. Get away. Okay. There should be like this, like a big slide we can take down to these places. Cause this is dangerous. No, really.
question. If you had 1 minute to say your last words, what would they be? I'm just thinking about that coming up on this hill. Like, what would my last words be? Ooh, baby, babe, I love you. You're my everything. I'm trying my best. My best. Babe, I love you. You're my everything. I said, ooh, baby. I wrote a song for you, babe. When I catch that sun again, Ricky, when I catch you, Ricky. Ricky, when I catch you, ah! Woo! Woo! Back up, please back up. And don't follow me either. That was the biggest beetle I've ever seen in my life, and it's just flying. No me gusta. Something has got to give, and it's looking like it's gonna be me. Thank you for covering that sun up though, cause y'all ever feel like you ever feel like passing out? Serious question. Like, just like maybe making a choice to just anyway. Is this cute or no? I don't know how I feel about it yet. I should do a TikTok while I'm not here. Y'all hear them donkeys? Mules? They screaming. For their life. We went to wood carving yesterday. And how about they gonna tell me my animal protector is a frog. And my spirit guide animal is supposed to be a snake. I said, you could have it. You could have it. You could have it. Cause a frog of all creatures in the world. And then I try to look it up, like, what does that mean? Nathan Yurts. Ooh. Y'all can't even see this blended in, but Nathan Yurts on the subject. I was like, maybe I could warm up to it. No. It's starting to get easier. When it was more treacherous, when I was in the trenches, I didn't think I was going. But now it's like civilized stairs. So alright, now that I got a breath, Lord, I'm nothing all that kind or motivational to say, other than what Dory said. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Oh, I actually do. It's not a race. Very close to where we started. There's a small hike left. I'm gonna have to stop and get water before that, but I believe the hardest part is over. O-V-E-R. They got a little shop over there for like food and stuff. My body don't want no Oreos and potato chips right now. I don't know what I want, but I know it's not that. And Coca-Cola and juice. I need ice cold water stat, 1 liter. Using y'all's system of measurement. Ah! Had to make sure. Look at that movement about. I think the best way to do this is probably by yourself. You just gotta leg it out. It's like a makeshift greenhouse. Y'all see that? So cool. We coming up on these cows, y'all. These cows don't smell all that great, but I mean, obviously, because I guess they're cows, but my oxygen is already low. I'm taking deep breaths, so hopefully this don't take me out. Oh, it's a, well, I was gonna say, oh, it's a bat. It's a sheep. I didn't even nose ring, can y'all tell? It's an earring in there. And I don't know if that's sanitary or not, but I cannot let that hole close. That's Bia. That's Melvin. And the one back there, that brown one, that's Tasha. Oh, and there's a chicken over there. We're gonna call her KK. The best way to get up these hills is to run. Shoot. Okay. Well, anyway, I chose to do a side quest and go the way I came. I wanna know what turns you on. See, because remember those flowers I took a picture of? So I can be your babe and more. Oh, those are pretty. It's too many animal noises for me. Love nature. Animals are cute from a distance, but I don't know. And we don't really mess with the bugs like that unless they not messing with us. Hello? Here, but it's also a lot of butterflies. Like, it's so many butterflies. They're so pretty. A lot of yellow ones. And I saw 3 white ones yesterday playing in the bushes together. I don't know why, but I just got Wi-Fi all of a sudden. I don't remember connecting to nothing, so.
First missing shoe gone.
I felt my shoe went. I shot my shoe was gone. Walter on the way back up the hill.
He went like all the way around. Like, he was with that group down there.
Came out on top, I ain't gonna lie.
That's what Walter said. He said we hexed him.
We hexed you? Marley, why are you smiling?
Have much this like infection the second